Example 9. The sum of three consecutive multiples of 11 is 363. Find these multiples. So see here the sum of three consecutive multiples of 11. So consecutive means what? அடுத்தடுத்து வருது. So what is the consecutive of 2, 3, 4, 5 etc. likewise. So next அடுத்தடுத்து வர்றது தான் consecutive ஓட meaning. So the sum of three consecutive multiples of 11 is 363. So see, the meaning is the first multiple we don't know, so now I am considering it as x. So the next multiple is x plus 11. So the another multiple is x plus 22. So this is the consecutive multiples of 11. See, suppose if it is the x value is 11 means x values எல்லாத்துக்குமே 11 கொடுக்கறேனா எனக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும்? So here 11 plus 11. Here 11 plus 22. So 11, 22 and 33. வருதா 11 க்கு அடுத்து வருதா 11th table. So 11s are 11, 11 2s are 22, 11 3s are 33. So இதான் வந்துட்டு consecutive multiples of 11. So now I am considering the sum of three consecutive multiples of 11 as x plus 11 and x plus 22. So what is given? If I add these three consecutive multiples of 11 means I am getting 363. So இந்த மூணு consecutives add பண்ணும்போது எனக்கு என்ன கிடைக்குது? 363 கிடைக்குது. So find these multiples. அப்ப இந்த x value என்ன இருக்குன்னு சொல்லிட்டு நான் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். Have you understand what I am saying? So என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்கன்னா the sum of three consecutive multiples of 11 is 363. So எனக்கு தெரியாது என்னன்னு. So I am considering the first number as x. கண்டிப்பா செகண்ட் நம்பர் எப்படி இருக்குன்னா x plus 11. ஏனா multiples of 11 அப்படிங்கறது இப்படி தான் போகும். So x plus 11. The next value is x plus 22. Likewise it goes on. So three consecutive multiples you have to consider. So x plus 11, x plus 22. So if I add these three consecutive numbers means I will get 363. So now I have to find the value for x. So shall we solve this? Yes. So now you see if x is a multiple of 11. So on the first number எனக்கு என்னன்னு தெரியாது. So ஆனா clue என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க அப்படினா the condition is the multiples of 11. So x I am considering x as the multiple of 11. So the next multiple எப்படி இருக்கும்? x plus 11. So the another multiple is x plus 22. That means you are just adding 11 to this multiple. So x plus 11 இருக்கும். அது கூட 11 add பண்ணும்போது 11 plus 11 is 22. So the third multiple is x plus 22. So this is how I have taken x plus 22. So we can take three consecutive multiples of 11. So the first as x, the second as x plus 11 and third as x plus 22. So now what is given in the question? The sum of three consecutive multiples of 11 is how much? 363. That means if I add these three consecutive multiples of 11 means I have to get the value 363. So now you add these three multiples of 11. So first value is x, second value is x plus 11, third value is x plus 22. Now the total value is 363. So in next step you simply remove the brackets. So here put x as it is, remove the brackets and write x plus 11 and x plus 22. The final value is 363. So here you have to find the value for x. Now you see, add the variables first. X plus x, then the numbers, constants next. So 11 plus 22 which is equal to 363. See, x. So x plus x, 2x plus 3x, x is 3x. 3x plus, now 11 plus 22 is 33 which is equal to 363. Now you have to find the value for x. So you keep 3x as it is and transpose this 33 to your right hand side. So here it is addition. If it goes on right hand side means it will become subtraction. So minus 33. So see here 3x is equal to 363 minus 33. So 3x is equal to, if you subtract you will get 330. So my x value is how much? 110. See here 3x is 330. 3x is equal to 330. My x value I have to find the x value. Here it is multiplication, means when it moves on to the right hand side, it will becomes division. So 330 divided by 3. So x is equal to 110. So my x value is 110. So finally we have find out the value for x. Now you substitute these x value in x plus 11 and x plus 22. So the first multiple of 11 is how much? 110. The next one is x plus 11. The next one is x plus 22. So see here 110. Now you add 100 and x value and 11. Then x value and 22. So see here 110. 121 and 132. So these three are the consecutive multiples of 11. So if you add, means if you want to if you have to check whether these answers are correct, you simply add these three numbers, then you will get 363. So now let me check. 110 is the first multiple of 11 and the second multiple is 121 and the third multiple is 132. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Simply add. So here 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 363. So now I am getting 363. So these three multiples of this 11 gives the sum of 363. Have you understand? So in the 3 number add பண்ணும்போது 363 நமக்கு கிடைக்கும். இந்த 3 number multiples of 11. So the sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 11 363. So for consecutive அப்படினா தொடர்ச்சியா வருது. So the first multiple நமக்கு என்னன்னு தெரியாது. So now I am considering it as x. Second multiple வந்துட்டு 11 ஓட multiple அப்படிங்கறங்காட்டி x plus 11 ஆ இருக்கும். third இது வந்துட்டு third consecutive number வந்துட்டு x plus 22 ஆ இருக்கும். That means x plus 11 கூட திரும்பி ஒரு 11 add பண்ணும்போது you will get x plus 22. So the three consecutive numbers என்னன்னு கன்சிடர் பண்ணிக்கிறோம்? x, x plus 11, x plus 22. அந்த மூணு நம்பர்ஸ் add பண்ணும்போது you will get 363. Now if you solve those things means you will get the final value as 110. So x oda value 110 தெரிஞ்சிருச்சு. Now you have to find the next two multiples of 11. For this you substitute the value of x in x plus 11 and x plus 22. ஏனா இதத்தான் நம்ம வந்துட்டு second multiple and third multiple consider பண்ணிக்கிறோம். First multiple நமக்கு தெரிஞ்சிருச்சு. So இத substitute பண்ணும்போது 110 plus 11 you will get 121. 110 plus 22 you will get 132. So இதுதான் final answer. So இது எல்லாத்தையும் add பண்ணும்போது நமக்கு 363 வருது. So this is your final answer. So the same type of problems are in the exercise also. So I will give those sums as your homework. If you have any doubt regarding this, you may ask me through WhatsApp. Thank you.